All right, well, I'm excited to show you this Highland home. It is in Southwest Lakeland. The Lakeland Airport is just minutes away. Let's take a look at this home. 4-bedroom, 2-bath, great floor plan. Let's check it out. So we're at 3819 Sand Hill Crane, and this is a really wonderful home built by Highland Homes. You can see the front porch on it is a really nice seller. You'll see the kitchen is also definitely a fan favorite. And we're over in the Town Park area, right near Riverstone. And you can see it's a great community. And let's take a look at this home. 2-car garage as you're walking up, you can tell. It's got some good landscaping, cute little front porch. This home has a lot to offer, so let's go in and take a look at it. Nice big entrance when you first walk in with the round arch, modern light fixture. And then you can see it is nice and open. It's got a wonderful kitchen, granite countertops. These are real wood floors, and they're very pretty. Got cathedral ceilings, updated ceiling fans and lighting. They've done some nice updating in this home. This has got a great kitchen. You can see the island is huge. Stainless steel appliances. They've got a nice backsplash going on there. And you'll see the dishwashers back this way with additional cabinets. It's got a Whirlpool appliances, including built-in microwave. Really pretty cabinets here. And the drawers. So a couple nice things about this home, besides the main area here, it's got a huge pantry. Take a look at this pantry. It's good size. Let me back off a little bit. So it's really deep, plenty of shelving. And then as we back up more, the laundry area is right here. I believe it's including the washer and dryer. There's a pocket door here. If you want to close that off for so the washer and dryer don't make too much noise. Doesn't make too much noise. And then there's wire shelving. And then this is really nice. So it could be a folding station, or you could put your electronics here. They've even got the everything ready, so you could plug your electronics in there. And then pretty basic, it's just a 2-car garage in here. You know, nothing fancy to show you in the garage. Water heater around the corner. So let's take a look. First of all, let's go back toward the front of the home. And this is 2 bedrooms and 1 bath this way. So the flooring's been replaced. This is luxury vinyl plank flooring. This is looking out toward the front. You can see the closet area here. And I can turn this light on, it helps. So there's a linen closet this way. It's 2 full baths, so 4 bedroom, 2 baths. This is the guest bath, if you will. Granite countertop, same countertop and cabinets. This has a tub shower combination. Got the obscure window for privacy. Okay, medicine cabinet. And then this bedroom. Looks like it's got the original carpet in this one. Home was built in 2017. That is probably some of the flooring they used, I bet, when they did some of the upgrades. Haven't opened the box to verify that, but that's a pretty good educated guess. So let's walk back toward the back of the house. Let me show you the master bedroom. It's a really nice master bedroom. Now I just showed this to a wonderful young couple, and they like the shutters, and I don't blame them. These are pretty cool shutters. So this is a nice upgrade right here. You can see, if I'm not mistaken, I haven't tried this yet, these open. Yeah, they do, okay. So they can pop open too, if you want to. And close them like that. I didn't shut it all the way, just in case you can tell. Shutters here. Now this is going to the master bathroom. You can see the nice sized tub when you first come in here. Again, more shutters with a window, like an arch window that way. And then here, did a nice job of the tile on this. is a shower door here inside the shower, so it's a nice size. It's got that. And then this is a double sink, which is great. So double sink, granite countertops. You can see with the inlay sink. And then toilet room. And again, all these have pocket doors here. You'll see pocket door here to close off if somebody's still sleeping. You can get ready in the morning. And then this again is a nice size. It's a walk-in closet. And it does kind of even go back here a little bit, so it's got some nice depth. And then spinning back around, there's some areas for shoes or hats or what have you. I'll show you this is the other angle for the double sinks. Better angle, so you don't have to stare at me. And into your shower. So it's a nice master bath. What they call it, deluxe master bath. And that means you have a tub and a shower. So a little bit of an old-fashioned term, but it's the deluxe master bathroom. Then, more shutters here. This is really the dining area, if you will. Put an eat-in kitchen table nook, round or something square, right there for your eating time to enjoy your meals. And then here is a screen lanai, which is really nice. We are very overcast today. We're getting a little bit of rain. So don't have the best lighting, but walking around the backyard here. It's a cloudy day here. So it's a fully fenced backyard. Might as well just show you this while we're out here. This is your air conditioning. Just went on. It's a Goodman. And then there is a water filtration system, Culligan, down there. So really nice home, 1,749 square feet, built in 2017 by Highland Homes. Great location. You can get to Interstate 4 very quickly. Lakeside Village in 10 minutes, if you will, the most. And plenty of shopping. Schools are close by. You've got Publix very near. So great home. Hope you've enjoyed this tour. If you have any questions, let me know. Brian Stevens, eXp Realty. Just remember this, whether selling or buying, you got to call Brian. Have a great day.